Recently, the Real Estate and Housing Developer Association Rehda has made a statement that the property price will be increased significantly due to the construction costs are expected to increase by 15% in the first half of 2024. At year 2022, there's actually annual increase of the building cost of 70% and 10% at year 2023. The construction cost has almost increased more than 30% within the 2 years. As we are always working on the ground, we notice that some of the young purchaser is suffering from renovation costs after buying a home. The renovation cost has become a main consideration for a buyer whether to purchase a particular home since the construction cost has increased dramatically. Some purchasers would rather pay a higher price for a renovated home in order to save the renovation cost. For a young purchaser who just started surveying and looking for their dream home, I would advise always ask for a quotation of the renovation cost from the contractor before proceed to the buying of the home in order to understand the total cost of purchase. Want to find out more? Don't forget to head to our website and check our latest TTDI listing. See you next Thursday for my next video.